Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got you this look. Now this look is the look that I have been wearing currently on a daily basis. If you want to know how I do it, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting up by applying Biotic Dandelion Serum onto my face. I have already washed and toned my face. To know more about the product, you can check my recent video on Biotic products. So next I am moisturizing my under eye area with Biotic under eye cream. I am just showing you like how I actually look on natural light, so no artificial lights in this video. So next I am moisturizing my lips with some Nivea lip balm, and also I am going to be applying some sunscreen. I actually missed showing you that, but I do apply little bit of Lotus matte gel sunscreen. Now applying primer is necessary when you are going to apply a full face of foundation. If not, you can just leave it off with the Lotus sunscreen matte gel itself because it has a matte finish. So today I'm using this L'Oreal True Match foundation in shade Nut Brown, and I'm going to be applying this on my entire face. Basically I don't do this on a daily basis. Like for weekly thrice I apply foundation on my entire face, and I just dab this first with my fingers first, and then I'll just take all the excess off with a damp beauty sponge. You'll be seeing it now. So on other days, to give a break to my skin, I just apply a moisturizer or the serum, under eye cream, sunscreen and some compact, and I'll be like good to go. If in case if I had any special occasion that day, I'll just apply foundation on my entire face. So next I'm also using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 330 Toffee Caramel underneath my eyes, just to give like a light highlight effect. So this one is optional. You can also use the same foundation that you used on your entire face to cover up your blemishes underneath your eyes, I mean the dark circles. If not, you can go with a shade that is lighter. Now the Maybelline one is a bit lighter for me, so I use this for kind of highlighting. I don't prefer concealer on a daily basis since it is extremely not very lightweight for me, if you know what I mean. So once after the cream products are on, I'm going to set this with some loose powder. Since I have oily and combination skin, I opt for loose powder, and I completely love the idea of setting the liquid product with loose powder, and this gives like a beautiful nice long lasting effect. And lately I've been using this one from Miss Claire. This one is TL5, which is like a brown loose powder, and it also controls shine and oiliness on my skin for a very long time. You can also use some baby powder. I prefer and recommend using Himalayas. I was actually using that before using this, so to give a change I tried this, and I'm completely loving this powder as of now. So I'm just setting this with some powder sponge, and that's the sponge is from normal fancy store. So next I'm using a gray shade from Maybelline eyebrow pencil, and I'm working on my eyebrows, just filling in the gaps and giving like a shape that I prefer. Can always use dark brown or even black if you like, but I don't prefer black. So next is that I'm going to set my eyelids with some compact powder. Now this gives like this beautiful flawless even toned eyelid, and I honestly like this thing. So next I'm taking this Lakme Classic Brown Absolute Kajal. Now this is like the normal kajal pencil that comes in this brown shade, and I'm just roughly scribbling like a line on the upper lash line. This does not have to be very precise because I'm just going to smudge everything. So I'm just going to use my fingers to smudge this, just to give like this smoky brown effect. Lately I have been really loving this look. Usually I do like this normal liquid eyeliner thing with kajal, but lately I have been doing this on the upper and lower lash line, smudging, and then going on with some black kajal pencil. Also I'm just smudging, definitely not going for any precise look. So it may change, like at times I use like only a good cat winged eyeliner, and at times I do these kind of things. So for my lash line I'm using this Plum kajal in black, and I'm just applying this on the lash line, and also a bit on the first on the waterline and a bit on the lash line, and smudging this. So I'm also applying the same thing on the upper waterline and also a bit on the upper lash line, and I'm just going to smudge. It's like the good gradient of color from dark to light color. So yeah, that is what I'm doing here. I'm using a different finger to smudge this, just to not to mix the brown and black completely. I just wanted to show the black intensification separately. So since I did not actually get the perfect intensification, what I did is like I took a liquid liner and drew a very thin line on the lash line, just very thin. Like when you see, it's going to be like you have like this good nice thick lash line. So this is completely optional. If you don't want to do, and if you're convenient with just a kajal, you can just leave off. So next, mascara. I'm applying this L'Oreal Million Lashes mascara. I have got this washable variant, and you can always opt for a waterproof one for a daily basis. I really like the waterproof mascaras, and this one is really amazing. And if you have like the sparse small eyelashes, this gives like the thing that you actually require for. This does magic on your eyelashes, so I highly recommend this. You can also buy any range of mascara from Maybelline brand. They do awesome mascaras. So next, for lip, I'm using this brown lip liner from Phases, and it's in shade name cafe latte sorry. So I'm just aligning and kind of filling the lips by smudging my lips together. And I'll be showing you some options. This one is Choco Latte, and this one is Top Thrill from Nykaa, and the other one I am not sure about the shade right now, but I will just link in the screen and in the description box, you can check out. So these are my current favorites. I just switch up with the products. So today I'm going to be showing you this one. This one is Seductress from the new Maybelline Ink Matte liquid lipstick. So I'm just applying this on the center of my lips, and I'm just doing this and spreading this in between. Like, I really don't know how to explain this. Like this, I'll just smudge this, and you have to be very quick because this dries very fast. So once after this is completely optional, and I do it only on occasional days. So I take the blush from Nykaa, any blush, but recently I have been loving this blush, and very lightly I'm just applying this on the apples of my cheeks, and kind of spreading this on my entire face just to give like this natural flawless effect. So that's it, guys. I have shown you like how the makeup actually looks in natural light, and I also believe that this actually helped you. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you feel like in the comment section below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.